Hi, my name is Raya Al-Sukari and I work in international sales here at Malco.
Hi, I'm Luis Vernon and I'm the Director of International Sales at Malco.
Today we're going to be talking about some key differences between home cleaning products and automotive detailing products. So let's get started. Many people use household cleaners to clean their cars. Is there a reason why detailing chemicals are preferred?
Detailing products are really designed for car application, when household cleaning products are not. So using a detailing product on a car will be safer. It's because they are developed to be used on a car. So they have a special pH neutral. They can be diluted at certain ratio according to the different surfaces of the car that they're going to be applied on. When household product will not have all those specifications to be used safely on a car. And so the result of that is household product might get you into the risk to get some damage on your surface in the car. And you can have anything from hot water spots, clear coat cracking, whitening of the automotive surface, fading of the clear coat, or fading of the upholstery, depending how you use those products, since you don't have the correct dilution or it's not the correct pH to use on a car. So really, household products are not safe to be used on a car surface.
So what are the most used household products on the car?
So the most household products used on a car are usually dish detergent, laundry detergent, and even oven cleaners.
Interesting. So do you suggest any safer alternatives?
Sure, so let's take the first one, dish detergent, which is the mostly used to clean every surface of a car. The issue with a dish detergent is that you're going to have accelerate oxidation because of the product not being made to. It will also be harmful for the environment because it's not a product that is made to be on the street and like that when you clean a car. So a safer alternative for that will definitely be a car degreaser. And at Malco, we've got Little Red Thunder, which is a biodegradable chemical that will clean your car and be ready to use. The strength of such a product is that it will be safe for the environment, it will rinse away very easy, do not leave any residue, and used correctly on the correct surface, make your car clean. Another very commonly used household product is laundry detergent. But laundry detergent, again, is not the appropriate product for painted surface of a car and can definitely cause damage to the painted surfaces. So I would really recommend that instead of using this, you use a real car wash. Car wash are good because they've got high lubricity, so they're safe to every surface of your car. And also they are made to remove dirt and contamination that you will find on the surface of a car. The other great point of a car wash is that most of them are usually highly concentrated, so you can dilute it so it is perfectly safe for that surface of the car. Really one that I want to recommend is the Malco Epic Hydro Sheet Ceramic Wash and Wasp and Graphene. The strength of that product is that it will work well on wax and coated car and also protect it to make it look perfect. Another commonly used household product is oven cleaner, because oven cleaner is a very strong household cleaner. People would want to use it on a wheel because a wheel is also the dirtiest part of your car. But no, I would really not suggest to use oven cleaner on any painted surfaces of your car, even the wheel, because the oven cleaner is so strong, it will damage the rubber, the plastic, the paint, metal surfaces, so anything that is around your wheel. In order to clean a wheel, I would really strongly suggest to go with a real wheel cleaner. And to be safe, I would really suggest to use a non-acid wheel cleaner, which will be safer for you and safer for the car. One product that I could strongly recommend is Complete Wheel and Tire Cleaner, which is a non-acid wheel cleaner that is strong enough to get your wheel super clean, shiny, and free of dust, and it will be safe on all coated surfaces when applied. So you're using a safe product that will make your wheel clean.
And now you know why it's important to use the right products on your car.
So don't use damaging household chemical to clean your car. Use detailing products to clean your car and get amazing detailing results. So if you haven't yet, you can check all our products and car care tips on our other videos.